Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 skills that you need to improve as a civil engineer to succeed in your career. As a civil engineer, you play a crucial role in designing, building, and maintaining infrastructure systems that are essential for our society. So, let's get started. The first skill that you need to improve as a civil engineer is your technical skills. You need to be proficient in using software programs such as AutoCAD, BIM, and other analysis tools to design and analyze structures, roads, and other infrastructure systems. Improving your technical skills will help you to work efficiently and create high-quality designs that are functional and safe. As a civil engineer, you need to communicate with clients, contractors, and other team members. You should be able to explain complex concepts in simple terms, write clear and concise reports, and make presentations. Improving your communication skills will help you to build relationships, convey ideas effectively, and ultimately ensure the success of your projects. As a civil engineer, you should be able to manage projects effectively, which includes planning, scheduling, budgeting, and controlling. Improving your project management skills will help you to keep projects on track, meet deadlines, and manage resources efficiently. As a civil engineer, you may be required to lead teams of other engineers, technicians, and construction workers. You should be able to motivate and inspire team members, make decisions, and solve problems. Improving your leadership skills will help you to build strong teams, create a positive work environment, and achieve better results. As a civil engineer, you should be able to solve complex problems that arise during the design, construction, and operation of infrastructure systems. You should be able to think critically, analyze data, and come up with creative solutions. Improving your problem-solving skills will help you to tackle challenges effectively and ultimately deliver successful projects. So that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which skill you think is the most important for civil engineers to improve. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.